Hey everyone, this is Yusuf and welcome back to my channel Cooking for Friends. My friend Igor brought me a pasta machine from his home country Italy. So I decided to thank him by making some fresh spaghetti pasta. Start by mixing a cup of flour and a third of a cup of fine semolina flour. Pass them through a sifter directly on top of a very clean countertop. With your hands, create a well in the middle and crack in 3 large eggs. Always crack the eggs on a flat surface, not on a sharp edge, to avoid the shell pieces inside the egg. Add a pinch of salt and start mixing the eggs with a fork while picking up some flour from the sides. Switch to hands when it becomes too sticky for the fork. Then quickly realize that you are using too little flour for the amount of eggs. Correct that by adding another cup of flour. I always do that by look and feel. I never measure ingredients for pasta dough. Just remember, you will need about 1 egg per person. Knead the dough vigorously for 10 minutes to get a smooth but not sticky consistency, almost elastic. Roll it into a ball. Wrap it in plastic and let it sit for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the gluten in the dough is relaxed and now ready to be rolled. Cut it into pieces and wrap the second half in plastic to prevent it from drying. Dust your countertop with the flour, then give the dough an initial spreading with your hands. Choose the widest setting on the pasta machine, give it a nice dusting of flour, and pass the dough through it. Fold the edges to shape the pasta into a nice rectangular shape. Remember to always dust it with flour before going into the machine. Now switch to the next setting, flour, and roll. Just repeat these steps until you reach the desired thickness. Now cut the sheet of pasta using the spaghetti slot. Delicately shape it into a nest of pasta and place it on a floured surface. Repeat with the remaining pasta sheets. Remember to sprinkle generously with flour to prevent them from sticking to each other. Now, since this episode is about the fresh pasta, I will make just a simple tomato and basil sauce. Start by peeling a big amount of garlic. Crush the cloves of garlic for a quick and easy peel and give them a quick chop. Realize that your cutting board is sliding because you forgot to secure it before starting the camera, and solve this by placing a wet kitchen towel under it. Cut these gorgeous cherry tomatoes in halves. Then arrange the ingredients to look like the flag of Italy to impress your Italian friend. In a pan, add a good amount of olive oil and let the garlic infuse. Add the tomatoes, some vegetable stock or water, add some of the basil and let simmer on medium-low heat. Generously salt some boiling water and add your fresh pasta. After just 1 minute, reserve some pasta water and drain the fresh pasta as it cooks very fast. Add the cooked spaghetti to the sauce. Always add some pasta water because it contains starch, which thickens the sauce and makes it stick to the pasta. Finish with few basil leaves and optionally season with some Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. Plate the spaghetti by twisting them few times using tongs or a long carving fork. Decorate with basil, some Parmigiano, and olive oil. This is how you make fresh spaghetti pasta with simple tomato and basil sauce. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.